Hi class, hi everyone, hi Widener, hi new professor. It's good to be back in the second swing of this summer semester with a focus on our field placement in the area of trauma. I'm excited to be here. Again, my name is Yolanda Johnson and I am from Atlanta, Georgia. My placement for field is a psychiatric hospital. The psychiatric hospital serves all populations, all demographic groups, so I'll be able to engage in a lot of different ages, a lot of different stages of development. My job where I work is the Department of Family and Children's Services. I'm a social worker in the area of foster care. What I plan to get out of this semester is to learn more about trauma. I want to know how trauma impacts people at different stages of life. I want to know how trauma can sometimes be beneficial when you think about it. It can keep you out of crazy situations, as odd as that sound. But I know I get stage fright. Sometimes my hands will get sweaty, and it's my body's way of preparing me to accomplish or get over that fright, and that's sometimes traumatic. So I want to know all the areas of trauma. So I think trauma is also relevant because it plays a big part in the way things affect us and our relationships to that effect. How we sometimes can get over trauma and sometimes we live with it throughout our lives subliminally. Sometimes we know that we have impacted something has impacted us by a traumatic event, and sometimes we don't. So I would like to explore all of that. And 3 things that I plan to do this semester for self-care is I will spend the weekend with my children. I will turn my phone off. I like to have a glass of wine, so I will have 1 glass of wine. And I like to be outside. I do. My husband likes to grill. He loves to cook fish on the grill, and that to me is just so relaxing. And listen to some old, slow R&B 90s music. So that's my way of self-care. So thank you guys. I look forward to seeing all your videos, and hooray, we're on our way, second semester. Bye-bye.